Japanese cafe sa San Rafael, ang sarap din ng sushi nila. Tara, yung mga kanus, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad dito sa Delta Square, Cagayan Valley Road, Barangay Maasim, San Rafael, Bulacan para kumain sa Teishoku Cafe. They have their own Japanese themed garden, air-conditioned Japanese-inspired rustic and cozy interior. They have free wifi kung gusto yung mag-work at pwede sila for event booking sa dami ng seating capacity kahit 150 packs pa yan. Meron silang malawak na parking space at malapit lang sila sa dulo ng Plaridel Bypass. Jump to their food, aba winner itong Teishoku signature roll na masarap, well balanced ang flavors and crispy kaning aburi na flavorful na one of my favorites. Meron din silang sushi trees neto for events. Furikake fries is something different na flavor ng fries and good flavor. Agedashi tofu na may super fluffy ng tofu. Yung tori karaage naman nila has juicy texture on the inside and crispy sa labas. For rice meal, sulit na itong nara set na may kasamang tonkatsu, miso soup, rice, tamago, and salad. At aba, may Filipino dish din sila dito like sunrise tapsilog na papapakanin ka sa sarap ng tapa na available during morning. And omu rice para sa mga mahilig sa egg. Kung tempura ang hilig mo na meron din dito, may ebi torijo na rice ball na marerecommend ko naman sa inyo. For something new, meron din silang chicken ramen for a different approach ng broth and partner mo ng mushroom gyoza na best for healthy option. For drinks, we tried salted brownie latte na masarap, strawberry cream na di tinipid sa rekado, at berry burst with its very refreshing tea, at Anko ice cream na homemade ice cream nila. They have different bread and pastries as well and cakes from Polly's award-winning chocolate cake in Manila. They have their own merchandise na pwede kayo bumili and even tea sets and furniture on display. Meron din silang upcoming Valentine's promo and they have loyalty cards for repeating customers. This is their operating hours kung pupunta kayo. O ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara na dito sa Teishoku Cafe sa San Rafael, Bulacan. Let's go!